There was a time when giants seemed invincible. The leaders of the moment reigned over entertainment worldwide. Because of their power, they ignored innovation when it knocked on their door. It was only time for new technology to make them history. Big companies that dominated the world forgot to open their eyes to innovation. Today, we only remember them with nostalgia. History leaves us a clear lesson. Big companies that do not see the opportunities offered by startup innovation tend to disappear. In tendon repair, suture loop technology would damage the tendon with body movements, and 1 in 4 of these surgeries will return to the operating room for repair. In a $19 billion market, innovative Ziptek technology revolutionizes the world of surgery. Zippy is the only BioLock technology in the world based on bio-resorbable buttons that fix tendons and reconstructs them at the same time, allowing for faster surgery, safer, more efficient, stronger. Reducing and even eliminating returns to the operating room. Ziptek is not the future. It is already the new present, ushering new giants in the world of surgery. In the medical industry, closing our eyes to evolution can cost more than a product, a whole business. Invest in Ziptek. Invest in innovation.